and it's a hybrid. Okay, and the hybrid logo also is illuminated just like how they illuminate for Toyota and Lexus. It's just like a Rolls Royce. Okay, so the G thing na will not rotate, it will stand the same. Okay, so just like Rolls Royce, they also trying to copy. If I press this, it goes down. See? Hey guys, very good evening and welcome back to another vlog. So today's vlog is going to be on the GAC GS8 hybrid vehicle. This is basically a full-size vehicle. It's a hybrid and it gets a four-wheel drive system as well. Full option vehicle, plus it's from China. So let's see what this Chinese vehicle has to offer. Lot of luxury, lot of good qualities and lot of features which are being offered in this SUV. So let's see what is in the vehicle and let's begin with the vlog.
I say yeah, 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 yeah. You know I want him, nah, 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 nah. I heard say yeah, 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 yeah. I told him I can be a fighter if you want. I'll be there to catch you if you fall. I can make it brighter when it starts, when it starts. I told him I would do it all for you, and I know you do it for me too. I can be a fighter if you want, if you want. Yeah, I can be a fighter. Be a fighter if you want. I can be a fighter if you want. I can be a fighter. I can be a fighter if you want. I can be a fighter if you want.
Okay guys, so let's begin with the vlog. So basically this is the GAC GS80 vehicle. Okay, and this is basically a full-size vehicle. It's from China basically. Okay, so Chinese cars have been coming in the market right now, and they have been into very good sales because of the price, because of the features they have been offering. Okay, so let's begin from the front of the vehicle. So this is the GAC logo, quite a different and unique one which they give, and it's a hybrid. Okay, and the hybrid logo also is illuminated just like how they illuminate for Toyota and Lexus. So same way GAC also decided to brand their logo with hybrid as well. Okay, so massive logo, a massive grille also which is being provided to you. Okay, there are these front sensors also which are being provided, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay, so 4 sensors in the front. Okay, lot of chrome on offer, lot of lights. So these are the lights of the vehicle. Okay, so these are the complete lights. Okay, there are 4 crystallized lights plus 2 LEDs. So these 2 LEDs will be splitting into the turn signals as well. So a lot of nice technology which they have given, as well as looks very premium as well because of the crystal lights. Here also there is one light over here which they have given, and a lot of chrome accents. Okay, so this chrome is full size chrome which they have provided. Okay, looks actually very, very nice. Down over here they have given this fog light also. Okay, so looks actually quite nice. Good to see that they have been giving good amount of features also. Lot of chrome also which they have provided over here, and this chrome runs all the way down. Okay, so all the way down the chrome runs down over there, and look at the incredible design which they have provided. A massive grille. Okay, lot of air intakes which are there. Okay, so looks actually quite nice and good. Then over here you have this 360-degree parking camera also which they have provided. Number plate housing also which is provided, and it's by Gargesh. So Gargesh, thank you so much if you are watching this vlog. Okay, and lot of massive air intakes also which they have provided. Okay, on the top if you see, then they have this radar and the lane assist feature also. So in terms of technology and all, Chinese cars have been working forefront. Okay, so that's a very nice thing. Okay guys, so let's get in the hood of the vehicle. Right now I have opened the hood from inside, and let's see if it has hydraulics. So yes, so by the way, this vehicle has hydraulics as well, so that's a very nice thing. So no need to complain now. Okay, and this is the engine bay, quite packed one. Okay, little bit dirty guys, but don't mind. Okay, so this is basically a 2-liter 4-cylinder petrol engine producing around 233 horsepower at 390 Newton meters of torque. Combined with that, it got a hybrid motor also which makes it more and more efficient. Okay, right now I can't show the engine bay completely because this is all packed just like how they do for Lexus. Okay, so the hybrid battery also will be down, and because of the hybrid battery the efficiency will be much more. Okay, so that's a very, very nice thing. Okay, so this is basically the entire engine bay. Okay, so very rare to see such kind of big vehicles with a 4-drive system getting a full size hybrid battery also. But the only problem is that it's just a 2-liter engine. They should have given at least a 4-liter. That is the time then it would have been great actually. But GAC decided to give only and only 2-liter petrol engine for it. Okay, so and over here if you see, then they have this insulation also which they have provided. Okay, so but these vehicles are actually quite nice actually. They don't make much noise also. Even now I came driving this vehicle all the way from there, but it literally doesn't make any amount of noise. Okay, so that's a very nice thing. So the engine bay actually is quite packed, can't make out also anything. So this was the engine bay of the vehicle. Okay guys, so let's talk about the side profile of the vehicle also. It's a full size SUV which you see. Okay, it comes under the 4-meter segment. Okay, so looks actually quite nice, gives a very tough competition to Toyota Prado, Land Cruiser and all these kind of vehicles like Nissan Petrol and all. But these are Chinese vehicles. Okay, so design wise absolutely amazing, looks really nice. Okay, because it has a lot of chrome and all. So let's start from the tire and the alloy. So this is basically the tire and the alloy. Okay, it gets a 255/50 R 20-inch alloy wheel, and the tire profile is by Michelin. Okay, so Michelin actually manufactures tires for this. And if you see this over here, it's just like a Rolls Royce. Okay, so the G thing now will not rotate, it will stand the same. Okay, so just like Rolls Royce, they also trying to copy. Okay, so a lot of copycat vehicles which are coming in the market from China. And if you see, it gets 2 massive rotors also. Okay, so it will help a lot in the braking performance. Okay, and the alloy also actually is in silver finish. Okay, so a lot of black and silver finish which looks actually quite nice and good. Then you have all this cladding also which they have provided in body color black only. Okay, so they have not provided in any other color, they have provided it in black color only. Okay, usually companies provide in other colors and all, but I guess because this is a black vehicle, so they have decided to give black only. Okay, then this is all the chrome which is being provided, and the chrome says master. Now I don't know, maybe you might see or no, but actually it says master over there, and the chrome now extends all till behind. Okay, so it's like a side skirting only, so a lot of good chrome which they have provided for the side skirting. Okay, then this is the mirror. Okay, along with that it got a 360-degree camera also which they have provided, and along with that it has chrome also. Okay, so that's a very nice thing that they have provided chrome and all. And this mirror also now guys, it has the blind spot detection monitor. Okay, I don't know, maybe you might see or no. Yeah, it's not illuminated now, but it has the blind spot detection monitor also. Lot of chrome. Even the third quarter panel gets chrome. Okay, on the top you have roof rails also which they have provided. Okay, so these are the handles. I don't think so there is any kind of request sensor, because these handles now, they actually have sensors built in. So if you just keep your hand on the grab handle, it will open up. Okay, and it got for all 4 sides. That's a very nice thing. A lot of technology which they have provided. Okay, and this is the rear tire guys, along with chrome. Looks actually quite nice with the same profile and the tire. Okay, lot of chrome which extends till behind, and this is the third quarter panel as well. Okay, and this chrome actually goes right till behind. So that's a very nice thing that they have tried and provided a lot of chrome also. So this was the side profile of the vehicle guys. Let's get in the interior of the vehicle as well now. Okay guys, let's get in the interior of the vehicle also. So the vehicle is already started, so I don't have to unlock the vehicle and all. Yes, and if you open this, quite a heavy door. And if you ask about the build quality and all, now it's very heavy. Okay, not like Indian cars, so they are very happy, very heavy. So that's a very nice thing. So this is the door panel. This gets all soft touch material, so very nice thing. Lot of soft touch material here, little bit of design, along with that little bit of plastics. Along with that, here it gets the door opener, 1 speaker from Appline. Okay, very nice thing over here, because the tweeter placement is provided over here. Okay, then these are the window roll up and down controls, mirror controls, grab handle over here, Alcantara material, so very nice thing. Here the full size speaker also which is being provided by them. Okay, then little bit of storage space, you can keep 2 bottles of yours. Okay, and talking about the seat over here, then it gets electric seats also. You can recline it as per your need and convenience. It says GS8. Okay, so GS8 badging has also been provided. These are the seats of the vehicle. It gets heated, ventilated, as well as massage functions as well, which they have provided. Okay, so let's get inside the vehicle now. Yeah, and without any much effort, I got inside the vehicle. Yes, so now the vehicle has been started. I have kept it on the start mode only, and this is actually running on the EV mode. Currently the AC is on. Yeah, so we'll just try and keep it on this mode now. Okay, so this is basically the steering wheel of the vehicle. Very premium steering wheel, and it's a stitched one with leather also. Here you have the lane assist, ADAS controls. Here you have the Bluetooth and the other controls. Okay, here you have this door, this is basically the light controls, and here you have the wiper controls. Okay, so full size screen also has been provided to you, so that you get all the necessary information. Along with that, it got a heads up display. I don't think so you can see it. Yeah, now you can see it, because it got an heads up display also, which is being provided. Okay, so a lot of information, you will come to know all the things. Okay, even the hybrid battery and all will display over here only. Okay, so that's a very nice thing which they have provided. Here you have the AC vents, blowers and all. Lot of chrome also which they have provided. So not only external, internal also they have a lot of chrome and all. Okay, so this is basically a full size tablet also which they have provided. Just looks like a big sound system theater only, and will give all the necessary information to you. Okay, so if I press this button over here, it will give you 360-degree view. So 360 view also is available. Okay, you can see. Okay, so it becomes very difficult to park the vehicles when you drive a full size SUV and all, but when you have 360-degree camera and all, it becomes very easy for you to park the vehicles. Okay, so let's close this up. It will give all the necessary information, plus it has Android Auto as well as Apple CarPlay, which is being provided to you. 2 AC blows over here, along with that chrome accents, and it's an automatic climate control. The full screen only will be provided to you whenever you want any information. So all these controls are from the screen of the vehicle only. Okay, then over here, these are all blacked out materials, okay, which they have provided in piano black. Lot of chrome, lot of designs. Okay, if you see, all design. So Chinese cars have been investing a lot in the R&D and technology. Okay, so this is one thing, and the premium door, as always, it's a very nice thing. Then over here you have sun blind along with mirror and light placement, and the light also is LED. Okay, same over here, sun blind along with mirrors, light placement, and an LED which is being provided. Then over here you have all the sunroof controls. So let's open the sunroof now. Yeah, I guess you have to keep on pressing it, only then it opens. Yes, so right now let's try to close this off, because a lot of sun inside. We are shooting in 50-degree now, so you get a massive panoramic sunroof also. Now I opened it only to the half, okay, because there is no much time remaining for me. Then you have one speaker placement also, and it's by Alpine only, so that's a very nice thing. This is basically the premium interior of the vehicle. Okay, looks actually quite nice and good. Many companies don't provide this kind of premium finish, but Chinese cars definitely they have. Over here you have wireless chargers. Okay, 2 of them, you can keep 2 phones and it will charge over here. Over here you have the gear shifter, okay, and it's like a crystallized one, so looks actually quite nice. It got the parking button also over here, start stop button. You have drive modes over here, you have parking brake, you have auto hold, 360-degree camera which is being provided. Then if you press this, then you have 2 cup holders also which are being provided, so that's a very nice thing to you. Okay, over here you have one big glove box, and you open this, press this, you press this, both of this opens up. It's a very hollow one. Okay, so you can keep your stuff inside. Okay, so that was the front interior part, guys. Let's get in the rear of the vehicle also and see what is offered to you in this vehicle by GAC. Okay guys, so let's get inside the vehicle also. Yeah, so this is the rear seating, guys. As always, very heavy door which they have provided, so that's a very nice thing. All soft touch material which they have provided over here. Then this is basically all the design which they have provided in some different material, Alcantara material, soft touch leather finish. Okay, all artificial leather, Alpine tweeter, Alpine full size speaker. Okay, so both they have given over here. Window roll down which they have provided, and these windows also are tinted right now. Then you have 2 bottle holders also. So this is the rear seating of the vehicle, guys. Okay, it gets captain seats also, if you see, and it's a 7-seater. Okay, so 1 2 3 4. Okay, so sorry, it's a 6-seater, but you can make it 7-seater also by putting another seat over here. Okay, so that's a very nice thing. So let's get inside now. Yeah, so this is basically the second row of the vehicle. Yeah, looks actually quite nice. Okay, it gives a very nice feel to it also. Okay, and if you see, they have provided a little bit of chrome over here also. Okay, so these are like nice seats over here. Okay, individual seats which they have provided, so you can lift it down and go wherever you want. Okay, individual seats they have provided over here. Okay, along with that it gets armrest also, so that's a very nice thing. Okay, then it gets two cup holders also. Yeah, but only on this side you get it, here you don't get it. I guess because, you know, yeah, you can close it off also, and you can open it off also. Okay, so nice cup holders which are being given by the company to you. Then you have the automatic climate control also, which are being provided for the rear. Okay, so for rear also they provided over here, plus your temperatures also can be set. The blowers are actually placed over here, if you see. Yeah, and these are like light controls. Okay, that also in LED. Yeah, so they provide LED lights. Okay, and the placement also is like inside over here. Okay, inside the grab handle, so that's a very nice thing. Then you get this massive panoramic sunroof. Okay, so it's actually very nice. Okay, gives a very nice feeling to it. So Chinese cars, top of the line variant. Okay, top of the market as well. Okay, so premium rear seating also looks actually quite nice, and this headrest also na can be adjusted like flights. Okay, like how you have in your flights, right, for economy class and all, how they provide. So the same way you can adjust it. Okay, so most of these vehicles are made for big executives and all, because these are very luxury kind of vehicles which Chinese companies have made for you. So that's the reason you know, this kind of technology and features have been given to you. Okay, and they have this ISOFIX child seats also. Then this is the rear seating, guys. Not going in the rear seating now much. Okay, but from here only you can see, then they have only two seats which are being provided, so it makes a complete 6-seater. If they provided one more seat in the middle, then it would have been a complete 7-seater also. Okay, it got two individual headrest also, but no armrest provided. Okay, so looks actually quite nice and good for this price point. Okay, so this was the rear of the seating, guys. Okay, rear of the vehicle. Let's get in the boot space of the vehicle also and see what is offered to you by GAC India vehicle. Okay guys, so let's get in the rear of the vehicle also. Okay, so from the rear also looks actually quite nice and good. This is basically the GAC logo, and it's illuminated in blue also. Okay, because it's a hybrid vehicle. Okay, it says GAC over here. Yeah, and over here if you see, it says GS8 4-wheel drive, and it's a hybrid, so that's a very nice thing. Then over here you get the chrome. Okay, lot of chrome which they have offered. Then you have the exhaust. Okay, so these are not fake exhaust, these are real exhaust. Okay, they are currently functional. That's a very nice thing. Then you get 4 sensors also, 1 2 3 4. Okay, 4 sensors, reflectors, plus you get a stoplight over here as well. Okay, see, this is a 360-degree camera also, as well as a reversing camera which they have provided. Over here you get this wiper, along with that defogger which is provided. Okay, and this is the rear stoplight, gets a shark fin antenna on top as well, and it's by IM Vehicles. They have wrapped it completely. Okay, that's a very nice thing. So let's open the boot space of the vehicle. Yeah, and it should be, yeah, and it's an automatic tailgate also, if you see. Yeah, so automatically it has opened up also completely, and this is the very small boot space which is being given, but this is the third row now. Okay, if they were only like one row and all, sorry, two rows and all, it would be nice, but just there, because they have provided this third row. Okay, this space actually is quite less. Okay, but if I want to take this down, no, you don't have to worry much, because there are these buttons over here. Okay, because if I press this, it goes down, see. Yeah, so a lot of nice technology also which is provided. If I press this button also, yeah, so if I press this, that one goes down. See, just see, it completely went down, so we can get a lot of space also. Okay, so that's a very nice thing because they have provided. Okay, and if I want to bring it back, just press this, and abracadabra, your rear seating also has come on top. Okay, so a lot of nice technology on all which they have provided. From here only I can recline it. So what else do you require? Okay, so that's a very nice thing. So keep up by GAC. You get one 12-volt charging socket also which they have provided over here. Down there will be a lot of space and all. Here a little bit of toolbox also which they have provided. And to close this vehicle, as always, press this, making some amount of noise. It has gone down. and it will go down completely. Okay, so that's a very nice thing to you. Okay guys, so that was it for the vehicle. I hope you like the GAC GS8 hybrid vehicle. This is a full size vehicle, 4-wheel drive, and it gets hybrid vehicle battery as well. Okay, so the price of the vehicle, you have to contact the showrooms and all. They will give you the best price of the vehicle. Okay, but very nice vehicle. I have driven this vehicle now, okay, from where it came till over here. So if at all you ask me the experience, then it's good. Little bit of power lag because this is a hybrid, but you get the non-hybrid as well. Okay, so if you want more efficiency, go for this. Talking about off-road performance, then I'm really not sure how will be the off-road performance of it, because this is a smaller engine, gets just a 2 liter. At least now the company should have provided 4 liter vehicle, then it would have become a very powerful engine, but not very sure. Maybe the petrol vehicle might get it or no. Okay, so that was it for today's vlog. I hope you liked the entire video. Please like and subscribe. Do not forget to click on the notification bell, otherwise you will not get any of my crazy updates. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next upcoming vlog.